Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to do the mini daisies by using the following tools. I have got the female cutting blades just purchased, and I'm so excited to try this. So it's female cutters and 3 in 1 package, and these red blocks are for your hands and not to get hurt, and I think it is very useful, and it is very sharp but not as sharp as the normal blades, so it's easy to use. And like my previous video, I'm going to use Scarpe Souffle, all of the colors as shown in this video. So first I roll the white one because we're going to make the white daisy, so we're going to need a lot of clay, and I'm going to make it balls of similar sizes. Then press it with a roller and shape it with the daisy tool. Actually, it is a tool for doing the icings in the cakes, but it is very useful in polymer clay projects as well. Then, as you see, it is very easy to cut it out the daisy shape. And I'm going to do the same procedure again and again until I get all of the daisies and all of the numbers of daisies that I want. So I'm going to use different sizes of shape and because it's a kind of mixture for the earrings and for the necklace and the bracelet. Then I rolled the yellow color to make the center of the daisies, and same thing, cut it in the same sizes and roll it into balls. Then what is really useful is instead of pressing one after another, I'm going to press it with the transparent board, which comes together with the roller. So it is very neat and we get all together at the same time. Then I'm going to press the daisies with a leaf shape tool, and you can see how it looks like the real daisies. So I'm going to do that to all of the daisies petals. When you've got all of the daisies pressed, and you stick the yellow colors into the center of the daisies. So you can now see how easy to get it and put it there. My suggestion here is don't use the cornstarch powder too much because it will not stick as you expected. And then you put some holes, you shape some holes in the center, and you can see the beautiful daisies. Now we're going to roll for the leaves. So it's I'm using the dark green color. I mixed a little bit with brown color so that it looks more realistic. And then you cut in the same sizes, and this time instead of rolling, and we're going to make them like sausage shape. Then you press with the leaf tool. And then when you pull the tip of the leaf a little bit, and to get the shape of more pointed leaves, so that you can see how does it look like. And I'm going to do it for all of the leaves. Then what I do is use the same color, and we need something to stud behind the back of the daisies so that you can put the eye screw and eye pins behind to connect each daisies into the necklace or the bracelets, whatever you want. So I stuck a little bit of small balls of the same colors, or you can use any color you want, green or brown or whatever it is, and stud behind the daisies. So now you can see how does it look like. I put some eye screws and eye pins inside that stud behind the daisies, and for the ear studs, and I put some ear studs behind 2 daisies, and the rest of the daisies are for the bracelets and the necklace. So I use the rose gold color chain. It is stainless steel and it is rose gold, so it really match with the daisy color. I'm just choosing the color I like, so it is up to you guys. You can choose whatever color you want. And I'm just going to put some jump rings between the eye screws, eye pins, and the chain so that the daisies can arrange freely, not stacking each other. So when you do it, instead of using one long straight chain, you cut the chain into small pieces and you put the daisies first, and then you can connect the chain back, and you put the crab claws or whatever connector you can use for the necklace. I found it is much easier to do that way. So we're going to put them, and finally you can see I just stick the leaves behind the daisies for the bracelet. Actually, I forgot to put it in the necklace, but it looks more beautiful.